wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's whatever day it is. It's a Friday.
Friday.
I think it might be the 30th.
29?
I don't know. I forgot to look. Anyways, as you can see, Bob and Amy are leading the way. We're gonna go to Knox and eat. Not to get confused with the Damn Inn and Eat, but it's gonna be Knox and Eat.
Yeah.
And then we might do a little shopping. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
I put a new muffler on the GoPro mic, like I have on my headset, and see if that gets rid of some of the engine noise that I get in the videos. And of course, communication between the helmets is dying, so I gotta buy a new one because it doesn't want to charge. It's always something. So right now we got no communication between Rita and myself except screaming over our shoulder. We're not used to that. So stay tuned. Well, we stopped at the Carriage Inn in Knox, PA. I don't know, he's pointing over there for something. Okay. And wasn't that impressed.
Not at all.
Not at all. My hamburger was good. I had the hamburger.
They're asked for a quick bite to eat because it'll take you an hour just to get your stuff.
It was almost 45 minutes, over 45 minutes before we got our food. And it wasn't busy. So, the hamburger wasn't that bad. Rita's sandwich was a turkey and ham. Well, it was all processed meat. What else? Oh, Bob's chili. I think it came out of the can.
Yeah.
What else did he get? Oh, a sloppy Joe. That might have been from a canned sandwich. And he had a side of macaroni salad.
Store-bought.
Yeah. I think they ran across the street to the gas station and got it.
Well, we know not to go there again. One and done.
Yep. So we give it a thumbs down. We're food critics. We will let you know when we find a good one, like Rose's up on the hill there in Weedville. That's a good restaurant. Quick service and good food. All right, on to the next. We don't know where Bob and Amy are taking us, but
We'll find out when we get there.
it's pretty warm out. Thank God the clouds keeping the sun off us. Stay tuned, keep watching. That's Route 80 again. We're on Route 338 in Turkey City.
Turkey City.
Okie dokie. Ah, yes. Oh, there's a lot of neat stuff in there, yard. We're just enjoying the scenery. We've never been here before. Okay, now that we've been through Turkey City, stay with us. We're on 268 and the Allegheny River's to our left. Oh, we can make it out through the trees. We're following the river. We're in the shade, nice and cool. Having a good day. When you stop, it is...
Right?
I said when you stop, it's miserable.
Yeah, pretty much.
As long as we keep going, we're good. Always like taking a video going over this bridge. Oh, that's that way. I think it looks neat. And we're off. Always got to get this beautiful view. That's gorgeous. And all the marshmallows in the field. Whee! That's nice. I said that's nice.
Oh, of course.
Of course. Yeah, Rita doesn't know what I'm talking about because intercoms aren't working between each other. So I can say how beautiful she is and everything else, and she won't even know it. How much I love her. She's my baby cakes. Alright. I don't know how many more videos we have, but we're almost into town. So thanks for coming along with us. I know it's a very short video, but that's okay. Don't forget, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Leave a comment, whack that bell, and anything else you want to do. Give us a big thumbs up. Home sweet home. Well, thanks for coming along with us, and it was a warm one. I got 96 on the boat, on the bike. Ooh, I can't even talk. You got a package. Yay! Well, Rita has a package. Okay, don't forget, subscribe, like, leave us a comment.